What's good, YouTube? It's Somebody Boy back with another video. Today we got a POV. We are on the GoPro, as you can see, but have a long drive, so I'm gonna get as many POVs for y'all as I can. And I'm not even on the head mount. Well, I am on a head mount, but it's on the head mount. Like, this junk is so heavy, bro. Like, it's weighing down the whole hat. But anyways, like I said, I got a very long drive, so I just want to get y'all some POVs, because why not, you feel me? But right now it's hella traffic, and hopefully we don't gotta go through too much of it, you see what I'm saying? And this is way better than holding the camera, bro, because, or holding the phone, because one, sometimes my phone just starts playing music because of this car. Like, I've never had that happen in any other car. But like, sometimes, like, let's say I get off the phone, right? And then music would just start playing for no reason. It don't make sense. But this, I still got, even though I don't text and drive, you know, never text and drive. But if I wanted to, I still got access to my phone. You see what I'm saying? Like, if somebody calls me, I can still talk to them. I mean, there's no point to talk to them and record, but like, y'all see what I'm saying. Shut up. But yeah. So this van wants to go slow, so let's just go ahead and get him out the way. Because why are you going so slow? Let's also turn on the... Alright now. Don't be a Camaro owner. But yeah, we're gonna turn that radar on so we can get that radar working. Uh-oh. Oh, this Camaro wanna get behind me now. Boy, you not fucking with me. I don't know if y'all can see him, but if you can. It's a 15 V6. So, how is the speed limit? There's no way. What the hell? It's not even that much traffic, bro. See, the thing about Atlanta, bro, you can literally change, like, the speed limits, because the speed limit things are, like, they're not just signs, they're like the number ones, where you can put whatever number on there you want. And of course, say we got traffic for 12 minutes. We love it. If you leaving out of Atlanta, don't do it on a Friday, because it'd be too much traffic, bro. We gotta go through all this to get over there, bro. But y'all, basically, I'm going to Myrtle Beach again. So y'all saw I did videos last time I was there. I will be doing videos this time again. And my friend that's going to be staying with me, he has a BMW. I don't know which one he got. I don't know too much about BMWs, but I'm gonna probably throw y'all a POV just for that. I'm not gonna lie though, I'm probably gonna just get back to y'all when we get out of this traffic, because this is about to really piss me off. And y'all are not getting no type of entertainment from me just driving this. Unless you just really want to see me drive the car, you're not getting entertainment. But I'm not even gonna do that to y'all. So I'm gonna catch y'all when I get out of traffic, open road, you know what I'm saying? So catch y'all. All right, y'all, so we are, let me make sure we're back, hold on. All right, we're back. All right, y'all, so we are back. I hope this angle's good. But we are back now. We done, I was gonna say we got out of traffic, but I got out of that traffic, got into this traffic. But there is another SS up there, or another Camaro. I don't know if it's an SS or not. We're gonna see. No, it's not. Damn. Damn, was it 4 cars? Y'all, so a damn accident happened in front of my apartment today. Like, I just heard boom, went out there. A damn truck with a trailer pulled out in front of a Mercedes. Like a truck with a hot tub on the trailer, not like an 18-wheeler trailer. Crazy. Y'all be careful on the road, because y'all know it's a lot of people in the world that can't drive at all. Alright, we're gonna go into track mode so we can, you know, have a little bit more torque. Torque's always good, you know. Yeah. See that? I'm gonna try to catch up to that Camaro though. Yeah. The one thing about Atlanta, everybody says you gotta go this fast or they gonna run you off the road. That's true, because bro, sometimes the speed limit will be 65 and niggas are going, well, no, I'm saying the opposite of that. Sometimes it's not true, because sometimes the speed limit be 65 and people going 60, like, and 55. I'm so serious. Like, how do you even do that? Those apartments look like they finna be straight. But if y'all watch all the time, y'all know the blue Camaro that I always link up with, the very loud one with the headers and all that. Now since I have my GoPro, when I link up with him later or this week, it's a cop up here. I'm gonna do a POV in his car, because he has a manual, so y'all can see me drive manual, which I'm not the best manual driver, but I can drive. Like I may stall like one time, but I got it, you know what I'm saying? Like, I actually learned in a Mustang, 2010 Mustang 4.6, and when I first got in that shit, I could not even start rolling, bro. Like, because you know, like all cars, or not all cars, but a lot of cars in manual, they're not the same at all. So I have a friend with he had a 2010, I learned in that, and it was cool. It wasn't hard or nothing, but then I also had a friend that has like a 13, and bro, his clutch is so heavy, you get a workout driving that. And then there's some that engage faster, there's some that like actually help you. Like the Camaro, it actually has the hill assist. So like the car will engage before you even hit the gas. Like, that's crazy. Like, it does it in this, and this is an automatic. But I mean, that definitely helps for Camaro, or for manual Camaros, I know for sure. I think some Mustangs have it, but I'm not too sure. But it's actually a good thing. So And even if you say like manual cars are stupid, blah blah blah, I agree to an extent. Like most people say that because they don't know how to drive a manual, and I was saying the same thing. But me personally, I wouldn't buy a manual car for every day, especially living in Atlanta. But like, let's say I could get a different car. Like, one of my dream cars is a C6 Z06, a C7 too, but I like the C6s. But I would get a C6 Z06 in a manual, but I would want a C7 Z06 in an automatic. And I don't know if that's like dumb, but I prefer older cars with manuals because it's kind of like, it's like, I don't know, it just seems more sentimental, you know? Because like this old ass car, it's a manual's starting to go away. You see what I'm saying? So, but yeah, this channel's growing great, and if we keep growing, bro, I promise y'all, I'm not gonna listen to everything y'all say, because I might say some dumb shit. But if y'all say, get this for the car, I'm gonna get it for the car, because like, bro, y'all are helping me. And it's like, bro, this will be any car I got, and I'm posting it on the car channel, making content for y'all, and y'all are helping me out. I will literally, it can be our car, like no cap. Like if I was getting all the views and whatever right now, everybody's telling me to like get headers and all that, I would do it. You see what I'm saying? And damn, that was a bump. So whenever this channel start going, we start getting more funds out of it, best believe we'll do whatever y'all want to do. Y'all tell me to supercharge this bitch, I'll supercharge it, no cap. I get everything done. But you know that costs a lot of money. Like, I think just a supercharger is like 4,000 or 6,000, one of them. But like, just like that, y'all wanted me, if y'all want me to supercharge it, I'll supercharge it. Y'all want me to get a certain type of wheels, I'll get a certain type of wheels. Somebody told me to get the LED steering wheel, and I actually had a good idea. So I might get that, and then maybe some big news will be coming after I get that. But I gotta get some help with it, you know, because I'm not too familiar with it or whatever. Y'all don't even know what I'm talking about, but I'm just telling y'all. So anyway, yeah, that, because I do want that. My steering wheel is very bad. Like, it's not as grippy as it used to be, and it's crooked right now, as you can see, because I did get in a car accident. If y'all didn't know that, but it happened April 30th, and it's like May 2nd now, or something. Not May. But I'm just waiting to get my car fixed because this happened in the accident. So yeah. But yeah, like I said, bro, y'all help me out, I help y'all out. And then I'd eventually, because the thing about me, bro, and this has nothing to do with cars. I'm sorry if you watching this video, but just listen for a second, you know what I'm saying? If you're here for the Camaro, I'm sorry, but just listen. We just gonna do a little talk while we driving. So, first of all, I love helping people. I love giving back. That's a no. Shut the fuck up. That's a known fact about me. So, when the time came, and if I were able to do everything I needed to do with this car and get another car and be financially able to keep this car, I would do whatever y'all wanted. Steering wheel, whatever wheels, wrap, blah blah blah, and I would literally give it away. Like, or you know, everybody says I wouldn't give it away because it wouldn't be given away. I would do a raffle, and I mean, I doubt anybody would want a car with 88,000 miles, but if I were to do all of that and then the tickets be cheap, like, bro, you can get a Camaro for $20, $100, like, just imagine. Even if you pay 10K for this thing, like, you put 10K in the raffle, you pay 10K, you still get a Camaro, and if you don't even want it, you can still go sell it and still get at least something out of it. So especially if you don't put in 10K, because I'm not gonna lie, that's a lot, but you could put in like, if you, imagine winning a Camaro for $100. Like, you know how insane that is? How much you pay for that car? $100. What's your, or somebody asking, what's your payments? I don't make payments. Oh, it's paid off? Yeah, I won in a raffle for $100. You crazy as hell. Like, that would be a freaking blessing. And I would love to do that for people. And I would literally do free giveaways. Like, y'all can enter a giveaway, and then, like I said, the steering wheel thing, I'd literally give away a steering wheel, bro. Like, I want to do that for people. And even if I was able to have brands reach out to me and they say, oh, we want to send you this, I'll be like, okay, send me two so I can get one and I can give one away. You know what I'm saying? Because y'all really support me, and I truly appreciate it. If y'all don't know, I have 2 channels, and the car channel, I have less subscribers, and I'm doing better than the one with more subscribers. And I mean, it's obviously because everybody's looking like Camaro stuff up, but still, it doesn't even matter. It's like, this channel is really showing me that I should keep going. Because, you know, like, sometimes you don't get views. It's like, all right, I'm gonna just chill a second. You don't chill, and then, I mean, you chill, and then you might not come back to it. And that's where everything in life, if you in life and everything ain't going the way it's supposed to, you expecting something high and low keeps happening, bro, you never know. Anything can happen. Because my main channel, bro, I literally been doing YouTube for fucking ever, bro. I done switched my niche, whatever, so many times. I started out with 2K YouTube in middle school. I was getting some cool views then. Then after middle school, I switched up to real life content. But me and my friends, I guess I didn't take it serious enough, which I can say. But if I would have knew back then that YouTube can turn into everything YouTube turns into now, I would have for sure done it. It's just, where I come from is no inspiration. I'm not saying I come from the hood or nothing, but where I come from as like my city, my state, it's none of that going on. I'm from Columbia, South Carolina. There is no YouTubers. There's a few people, but it's like everybody's small. Duke Dennis is from Greenville. That's about the only inspiration you got. And that was way back then. So he wasn't even, he was getting there. I still got DMs from me and Duke Dennis. And he was asking me to subscribe to his YouTube so he could hit 6K. And that's a whole different story, but whatever. This is a whole car channel. I'm talking to you about life stuff, but I don't care. I want y'all to listen to this for real. But yeah, like, just keep going. Anything can happen. And I forgot what I was saying, so I just said that. But yeah, this was just a regular POV. So I'm gonna get y'all some better ones in a second. I'm probably just gonna chill for a second and just think about everything I just said, because I need to put it into my brain too. You know, when things ain't going right, you gotta keep going, you see what I'm saying? But I hope y'all enjoyed this talk, especially if you're new. Make sure you subscribe. But even if you're not new, I mean, that wouldn't make sense. But y'all like the video, comment, and subscribe if you're new, because we can, especially if you haven't subscribed. We're small right now, but you can jump on the almighty train, on the almighty team, on almighty squad, and then just be able to say you've been here since then. So I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. I hope y'all enjoyed. I'm out.